So I walked around a little bit on this mound. I didn't expect very much, but from that mess, got those three pretty decent sized pumpkins there. They're not the typical orange color. Oh, there's a pseudo-scorpion. Look at that. Pseudo-scorpion. I hardly ever seen those things. It has no tail, but it's a pseudo-scorpion. I'll probably be taking him home without wanting to. I'll wash him down the drain though. Anyway, yeah, I might have to walk back on top and look for more vines sticking out, but I don't think I'm going to. I lifted up on one vine and found a pumpkin I didn't expect, and I picked up another vine. There was nothing on that one, so just from what I can eyeball, that's the three. And I mean, I can recognize pumpkin vines very well. I had hundreds of pumpkin plants growing on here before I left, but the pheasants went crazy. And about a week before I left this summer, they scraped everything off this and the snake mound. And I really thought I was only going to get pumpkins on the front, so the fact that I'm even 3 pumpkins ahead on this side is really a blessing. I didn't expect that. So, completely untended, growing naturally, in the weeds, fighting against all this stuff that's above my head. I mean, here I am standing. If I put my hand straight up, that's another 7-8 inches above my head, with my arm, above my head, above my arm, standing straight up. And some of these things were 12 feet tall, as they usually are. But this time of year, they're all laying down. So the pumpkins have to fight that stuff. And, well, there's the result of 3 wild pumpkins. Real quick, since I'm here, here's what Mara looks like after the shell part comes off, and the seeds have already fallen out of these. So they leave this very soft, spongy thing. They usually have about, I can't remember if it's 6 seeds in them or 4 seeds. I don't remember how many seeds, so I shouldn't say exactly because I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway, here's another pumpkin vine. But there's nothing growing on it. This vine spread all the way across. All the way across. Well, yeah, nothing there. Yeah, nothing on that one. So I think I got everything off this mound. Okay, here we are at the garden. It's November 4th, 2018. As you can see, I didn't bother to clear out anything other than tear a few pumpkin vines that were in the way and just threw them inside of the swale. I'll let winter do its job to the rest of the weeds. But what I'm going to do here today is take home the last 3 pumpkins, which I left out here last time because I couldn't get them in my bag. And I really thought it was only 3, but maybe one fell off and I didn't notice. Let's look. See my mess under the weeds here? So I don't think there's anything. I just have my jugs and the old tire. So no, just these 3 pumpkins. I want you to take the same walk I just took and tell me what you see. Obviously you can see that if I'm turning the camera at it. Look at that. That must have been quite the vine out here. So, laying in this spot right here, let's count by steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the edge, I'd say at least. 10 and a half to the place where I planted it. So that's reaching out there quite a long ways. Just looking for more for fun. So, did you notice the one in the beginning? I'm probably sure you did. I'm probably sure. I never even noticed this, of course, before, so yeah, the stem's rotted up to the edge of the pumpkin, so probably I'll have to cook this one fast. Sorry, a fly just flew down my throat. Okay, so my rescue of 3 pumpkins has now turned into 5, and one of them's pretty decent.